I'm here, you're here, and this is a high-protein chocolate cookie butter cheesecake. I know, we're starting off the new year amazingly, so let's get started. Might be a new year, but the rules will stay the same. We are starting off by preheating the oven at 350 degrees. After that, you want to go ahead and get yourself a big old bowl, and you're going to add in 3 blocks or about 750 grams of cream cheese. I'm using light cream cheese for this one. Then you're going to add in 3 scoops of chocolate whey protein. This is about 105 grams. And the last of the 3s is 3 room temperature eggs. So I'm just cracking them into another bowl just to make sure I don't get any shells. And in they go. As you can see, this is a 1 bowl recipe. It's super easy to do. So next we're going to add in 1 cup or 180 grams of Biscoff cookie butter. Be forewarned, however, that this recipe, it looks like it's going to be sweet. It's not nearly as sweet as you might think it is. And that's pretty much because any of the sweetness that you're getting is coming from either the whey protein or the cookie butter. So we're not adding any other sweetener to this. But we are gonna make sure that I scrape this spatula because I want every little bit of that cookie butter. Hello? Then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's all. It's time to mix. And as usual, before you finish, don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl. And underneath, there's lots of stuff that you might be missing and missing out on. That should really take like a minute 15, super quick, super easy. And you should be left with this beautiful glossy mixture. It smells so good. I've got my 9-inch cake pan here. It is not a springform pan, but that's okay because I've got some parchment paper on the bottom. And I'm just gonna pour this in. Okay, this is gonna go into the oven for about 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it though. You want a little bit of a jiggle before you take it out. We're gonna make a chocolate ganache, and all you need are 2 ingredients. Coconut milk. Begin to gently heat that up, and then you're going to break apart your 2 chocolate bars. You're gonna need about 200 grams. So I decided to go with milk chocolate because I wanted to be a little more decadent, but absolutely dark chocolate would be fantastic with this one as well. Once your coconut milk is hot but not scalding, pour it over the chocolate. Make sure most of the chocolate is covered and then add a cover to the bowl. And I'd let it sit for about 5 minutes. But of course now you're gonna have to incorporate everything, so get a whisk and mix everything up until you've got a beautiful glossy chocolate mixture. Let it cool down a little bit before adding it to your cheesecake. Pop the cheesecake back into the fridge for a little bit and then enjoy. This right here is beautiful. You know, if you're not too busy, I would love for you to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. And when you give it a go, let me know how it went in the comments below. But until such a time as that, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye.